I have an actual problem with this product. If you're thinking of buying magnesium oil spray to help you sleep at night, you might want to watch. Everyone buys this to help them sleep better at night, right? They spray it on their feet. It just hasn't worked for me. Here's why though. I can't sleep with the knowledge that my oily feet are getting all over my bed sheets. I can't. God's honest truth, I can't sleep. It's not that this doesn't work to help me feel great. It's not that the magnesium oil spray doesn't work. It's actually an amazing solution for so many things that can be going wrong. I just can't hack that feeling of getting oil all over my sheets. Don't even suggest I start wearing socks to bed. Luckily, there's a very easy solution. You don't only have to use this at night. It works just as well during the day. Your body absorbs it throughout the day. I actually think it works better. What I do is I spray it on my feet, put on my socks, put on my shoes, and go on with my day. Do I fall asleep in the middle of the day? No. It's helpful for sleep, but your body needs it all day long for a million different functions. So while it's a great idea to market this as something to spray on your feet before you go to bed, that's quite limiting. If you're like me and the idea of oil on your feet getting all over your bed sheets keeps you up at night, don't let that keep you from getting this magnesium oil spray. Spray it on your feet before you put your socks on. Get on with your day. Thank me later.